African elephant. The African elephant is the largest land animal on Earth. Males can reach a height of 10 to 13 feet 3 to 4 meters at the shoulder and weigh up to 12,000 pounds 5,400 kilograms. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have existed. It can grow up to 98 feet, 30 meters in length and weigh as much as 200 tons, 180 metric tons. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals. With males standing up to 18 feet 5.5 meters tall, they can weigh up to 3,000 pounds 1,360 kilograms. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile. Adult males can reach lengths of over 20 feet 6 meters and weigh up to 2,200 pounds 1,000 kilograms. Polar bear. Polar bears are the largest species of bear and are well adapted to the Arctic environment. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds 400 to 700 kilograms and reach lengths of 8 to 10 feet 2.4